This is the frame that houses the Jewish cemetery in Corfu, which I took out the drawing and the artified mat. There's some Hebrew carved in the bottom there. A stone from the beach somewhere around Corfu, as was this it's like a pine cone on the left there. And we will, whoops, watch where I'm going here. So there's the drawing that had fit in there all these years since 1985, or 86 when I did the artified the mat. And the last half year I had decided to redo the drawing, and at least maybe one or two friends and or colleagues of mine around the country or overseas will be pleased to know that while I'm working on a replacement drawing to fit inside the artified mat, this is the drawing in progress here, which I began yesterday, May 7th. This is May 8th, 2013. I've since decided to not destroy that part there, which I had done on site in the Jewish cemetery in Corfu in August that year, 85. So I'm working from photos for the new drawing. For the gravestone in the upper left, I'm probably going to use this here, and in lieu of teletransporting myself back there to draw the dry grasses and all that, I'm picking up some things outdoors to draw in some of the foreground area, like on the bike ride late yesterday afternoon, and picked these up, froze them overnight in my freezer just to get rid of any bugs, and that will be kind of in these kind of surrounding areas. There you have it, the Jewish Cemetery Corfu, number 1 and number 2 in progress. So this was drawn from this photo here. Okie doke. To be continued.